And now what we talk. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm very fine.
So what do you teach here?
I teach two courses, the advanced management techniques and the instruction technology at the doctorate level. Then all of us, all the faculty members are engaged in teaching undergraduate courses, fundamentals, education, the extension methodologies, entrepreneurship skills, and communication skills for the managers to the undergraduate students.
Okay, very good. What is your message to the young teaching faculty? What they should
Teaching
be?
faculty, I think we cannot anticipate exactly what they are require, but I think we are afraid in terms of let us not teach above a certain level what they are required to do in their teaching career. I think what is the important part is the content which they are going to undertake, how to convert that content into meaningful, relevant subject matter which is relevant to the students. And few things you have already pointed out, the short, how they have to dress up and what kinds of clothes. I think for all of them, I think I just have one message, and that is to prepare well. And with the content which you are trying to inculcate, I think this is very important. And my mechanism, I think if we can be recorded while you are lecturing.
Okay, thank you so much, Professor, and it has been nice talking to you.